We have to take the lens.
Oh, it's off. It's off. We're good. It's off. We're good.
Okay.
Sharon.
One. All right.
Now put out the candle. Yeah. Good job.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Wow, you're such a cheater.
Ah! I don't even know what
Sharon,
That's so dumb.
Sharon.
Ashley's beating you by like 5 minutes. Hurry up.
Look at her finger, it's burned.
It's black.
It's ash.
burnt
It's
it.
not.
Don't lick it. Put out the candle.
I don't want to. Wait, Rochelle, you do it.
I've done it like 5 times now and I'm not burnt.
Done.
Sharon. What do you have to say for yourself?
I don't know. Ow! Ew, it's burned. Ow, ew. Ew. That is nasty. What is that?
It's just burned stuff. Ashes.
Ew. I drew
Hey,
Matches your skin tone.